This amazing children's storybook has generated an astounding passive income of over $225,000. In today's video, I will guide you through the entire process of launching a similar business, starting from generating the book idea, creating the main content, designing high-quality illustrations, and utilizing the incredible power of AI technology. Whether you're interested in making passive income or simply intrigued by this opportunity, I urge you to watch this video until the end because I promise you'll gain invaluable information that is nowhere else to be found. The inspiration for this venture struck me while I was scrolling through Amazon, actively searching for potential passive income. That's when I stumbled upon a particular product, a children's storybook. As I delved deeper into my research, I was utterly astonished by the numbers these sellers were able to achieve by simply selling simple storybooks like this one. Take, for instance, this book that has received an impressive 1,268 ratings. If we multiply that price of $11.90, which is what the book was sold for, the total earnings for the seller come out to be over $15,000 from this book alone. Let's examine another example. This book, with 15,018 ratings, priced at $11.67, has generated over $175,000 in revenue. These figures are mind-blowing, and the most incredible part is that you can publish these books absolutely free of charge using Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. With this revelation, I couldn't help but think, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT and publish it on Amazon, allowing it to generate passive income while I sleep? This prompted me to make this video with the intention of helping as many individuals as possible achieve the same level of success. As you probably know, the foundation of any good storybook lies in having a compelling story idea. To begin the creative process, I turned to ChatGPT and asked it to generate a suitable title for a storybook catering to children. The first suggestion I received was Sparkle and Friends. Although interesting, I felt that we needed something even more exciting. So I gave it another shot. This time, The Enchanted Journey Children Magical Quest came up, which sounded intriguing, but I believed we could do even better. Finally, the chatbot came up with The Enchanted Expedition Lily and Max's Extraordinary Quest into the Realm of Wonder. Then I queried ChatGPT to give me more details about the story, and it came up with a book for kids from 6 to 10 years old. And it's about two best friends, Lily and Max, who found a magical map, embark on an adventure, and learn about courage, friendship, and the power of imagination. Now that truly sounded like a beautiful story. I decided to proceed with this idea. The subsequent step was to create the story outline. Thanks to ChatGPT, generating chapters and scenes became a breeze. Here's what the outline looked like. Chapter 1. The Hidden Treasure. Chapter 2, The Gateway to Imagination. Chapter 3, Meeting the Wise Owl. Chapter 4, The Enchanted Forest. Chapter 5, The Talking Animals, and so on, up to 11 chapters. Now that we had the story outline in place, it was time to transform it into actual story content. The process was quite straightforward. All I had to do was copy the first chapter, in my case, The Hidden Treasure, and paste it into the chatbot's interface, setting the prompt to write a rhythmic story. After generating the content, I read it, and if I wasn't entirely satisfied, I simply regenerated the answer until it met my expectations. I repeated this process for each chapter, and to my amazement, it took only a few minutes to have a complete story at my disposal, ready to be transformed into a book that could generate passive income without requiring me to write a single word. Just think about it. The speed at which we generated this story idea, outlined the chapters, and produced the story content was truly astonishing. However, believe me when I say that the mind-blowing part is yet to come. If you've enjoyed this video thus far, I kindly request that you show your support by hitting the like button. It's common knowledge that even the best story idea falls short without captivating illustrations. Traditionally, commissioning artists to create illustrations could cost thousands of dollars. But what if I told you all the images you see on the screen were generated using AI, and the best part is, it's absolutely free? You may have heard about AI art and how it allows you to generate original images by simply typing in a few words. That's exactly what I did to complete the illustrations for my first chapter. Allow me to demonstrate how. When it comes to AI art generators, there are several options available, but after trying numerous platforms, I found that Midjourney and Leonardo.ai provided the best experience in my opinion. You can give it a try for free by following the links in the description below this video. We'll go with Midjourney. Once you join their Discord server, you'll have access to all the recently generated images. With millions of users, you'll notice that new images are being generated every second. To create your desired image, start by typing a / and then explaining the image you want to generate. Refer back to the story chapters you previously generated and copy the first one. In my case, it was Lily and Max explore their grandparents' attic and discover the old map. With a clear image in mind, type a / followed by imagine and then the topic of your chapter. After a brief moment, the generated image will appear and you'll be presented with 2 rows of buttons. In the top row, you'll find U1, U2, U3, and U4. These buttons allow you to upscale your chosen image, essentially generating a larger version of it. In the bottom row, you'll find V1, V2, V3, and V4. These buttons create the new variations of your selected image, maintaining the overall style and composition. Let's recap. Clicking on U1 will upscale the first image, while clicking on V1 will generate 4 new variations of the same image. In my case, I was pleased with the third image, so I clicked on U3 to enlarge it. To save the image, simply click on it, choose Save Image As, and then save it to your device. I generated my second image by copying and pasting the second point in my story outline into the prompt. However, I want to maintain the same look as my original image. So here's a little tip before explaining the new image. Click the image URL, start the prompt, and paste the link. That way you may keep the same look. The second version appeals to me, so I clicked on U2 to enlarge. This process can be repeated for each image you need. In approximately 20 minutes, I had all the illustrations ready for use. I won't repeat the entire process for all the chapters in this video, as it would make it too long, but I believe you understand the concept. Take it section by section, generating the necessary images based on the story's themes and topics. If you require further assistance with Midjourney, please ask in the comments section and I will do my best to assist you. Now that we have our illustrations, let's proceed to combine the text generated by ChatGPT with the images created using Midjourney, resulting in a professional-looking storybook. To get started, head over to canva.com and search for Storybook. Select the option to create a blank storybook. Once you're on the canvas, begin by uploading the AI-generated images you saved earlier. From there, you can simply drag and drop your first image onto the template. Next, go back to the ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story you generated, and paste it on top of the image. Feel free to adjust the text as you desire, experimenting with different colors, font styles, and even adding shadows to enhance the visual appeal. One of the reasons I love using Canva is its user-friendly interface, making the design process intuitive and enjoyable. Furthermore, it is completely free to use. When you're finished, click here to duplicate the template. That will save you a lot of time because you can now put the new picture in the text while keeping the look the same. Repeat this process for each chapter until your entire story is complete. Once you're satisfied with your storybook's design, it's time to export it as a PDF. Simply click on the Download button and select PDF Print and choose the highest quality option. My congratulations! Now that you have the PDF version of your storybook, head over to Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. If you don't have an account already, sign up for free. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Paperback. On the Paperback Details page, enter your book's title, author name, you can use your own name or a pen name, and the series name if applicable. Under Interior, choose the option to upload a print-ready PDF. Then select the paper type, trim size, and bleed settings that match your storybook's dimensions. Proceed to upload the PDF you downloaded from Canva, and once the upload is complete, preview your book to ensure everything looks as expected. On the Paperback Content page, select the option to create a new Kindle ebook. This will enable you to tap into the lucrative Kindle market as well. Fill in the required details such as title, author name, and series information. Under Manuscript, click on Upload eBook Manuscript and select the same PDF file you previously uploaded. Once again, preview your ebook to confirm the formatting is intact. Complete the remaining steps, including setting the pricing, distribution, and confirming your publishing rights. Finally, click on Publish Your Paperback Book and Publish Your Kindle ebook to make your storybook available for purchase on Amazon. Congratulations! You've successfully created and published your very own children's storybook, all thanks to the power of AI and a little bit of creativity. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and watch the passive income roll in as your book captivates young readers and becomes a cherished addition to their bookshelves. Remember to market your book through various channels such as social media, author websites, and word of mouth to maximize its exposure and potential sales. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with future videos. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I will do my best to respond to them. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey to success in the world of publishing.